Hello student, this is class 9th chapter 3rd atoms and molecule. This is part 7. The first topic is ion. An atom that bears a charge is called ion. The first is anion when the negative charge is higher than plus charge is called anion. The second is cation when the negative charge is lower than plus charge. The first topic is a cation. They are positively charged ion. They always lose electron and have electron less than those in a neutral atom. For example, sodium ion, magnesium ion and aluminium ion. Second is anion. They are negatively charged ion. They always gain electron and have electron more than in a normal atom or neutral atom. For example, Cl negative ion, imine chloride ion. Next, oxygen ion, oxygen 2 negative ion and nitrogen 3 negative ion, etc. The first topic is a ion. Ion means suppose in a neutral atom. Neutral atom means no charge on atom. No charge on atom. No charge means no negative charge, no positive charge. Suppose sodium atom. Sodium which has no charge, zero charge, is called neutral atom. Magnesium. In magnesium no charge is available, so magnesium is a neutral atom. Suppose sodium loss 1 electron. Sodium loss. In sodium its atomic number is 11, 281. In this, loss of 1 electron takes place, so sodium gets 1 plus charge. Loss of electron. So in this, sodium gets 1 plus charge, so this is a ion, sodium ion. Suppose Cl gains 1 electron, so Cl gets negative charge. In this is called chloride ion. The ions is of two types. The first is anion. Anion means negative charged ion. When negative charge higher than positive charge is called anion. In this, suppose Cl atom and Cl negative. In Cl17 and Cl negative charge. In this, Cl has 17 electron and in Cl negative it has 18 electrons. In this case, Cl has 17 negative charge. Negative charge means 17 electron and electron has negative charge. And Cl has 17 positive charge, I mean 17 number of proton which has positive charge. So these charge is 17 negative and 70 plus charge. Cl17 has zero charge. Zero charge means it's neutral atom. Cl negative charge means it has 18 negative charge. But in case only 17 positive charge, it has 17 positive charge, so it has 1 negative charge. So Cl gets Cl negative ion, I mean 1 negative charge. The second is cation. The second is cation. I mean it has positively charged atom. Species. Suppose sodium and sodium plus species. In case of sodium, in this 11 negative charge and 11 positive charge, so it has zero charge, I mean neutral. In case of sodium plus species, in this only negative charge is 10 negative charge and 11 positive charge, so 1 plus charge. So sodium gets 1 plus charge in this species. The first topic is cation. This is a positive charged species. It means loss of electron takes place in this species. Loss of electron means it has lower electron than neutral atom. Suppose in a sodium and sodium plus ion, sodium has 11 electron and sodium plus has only 10 electron. So sodium ion has lower electrons than sodium neutral atom. In sodium loss 1 electron and gets plus charge. In this species, it gets octet by loss of electron, which is very stable species. In sodium, gain of 7 electron is very difficult than loss of 1 electron. In magnesium atom, loss of 2 electron takes place and gets 2 positive charge. Suppose 282. In this, loss of 2 electron is very easy than gain of 6 electron. So it gets octet by 5 loss of 2 electron, which is very stable species. In aluminium, loss of 3 electron takes place and gets 3 positive charge. In this 283, its atomic number is 1 3. In this loss of 3 electron is very easy than gain of 5 electron. So loss of 3 electron in this takes place. So it gets stable species. Last is anion. The last topic is anion. Anion means negative charge species. Negative charged species. Negative charge means gain of electron. Gain of electron. In this case, gain of electron takes place. So it has higher number of electron than neutral atom. Neutral atom. Suppose in Cl and Cl negative ion. Cl only 17 electron. Cl negative has 18 electrons, so it has higher electron than neutral Cl17 atom. In this case, 27287. 288. This is a stable species. In this gain of electron is very easy than loss of 7 electron. So it gain 1 electron and to form Cl negative anion. Cl anion. Cl gain 1 electron and Cl negative ion. In oxygen atom, its atomic number is 826. In oxygen 8 atom, the gain of 2 electron is very easy than loss of 6 electron. So it gains 2 electron and it has 2 negative charge. Oxygen gain 2 electron and 2 negative charge. In nitrogen, its atomic number is 7 to 5. In this, gain of 3 electron is easy than loss of 5 electron. So it gains 3 electron as